Hey everyone, my name is Eamon and I'm joining you from Pakistan. I'm the founder of Brightora, a creative agency where we help brands tell their stories visually. I started Brightora because I believe that idea are powerful and that leadership isn't about holding a position. It's about creating impact, inspiring others, and taking action when the odds are stacked against you. Speaking from Pakistan, I know what it feels to be the only one in the room from that country. Like, I have been seeing the speakers, and I have often walked into spaces where people unconsciously questioned whether I belonged, whether my voice mattered, or whether my vision was too big. And yet, here I am, speaking to all of you today, and I want to talk about how women become unstoppable in leadership. So basically, when we go to the thing which is like my journey and struggles, leadership is rarely a smooth pain for women. It often comes with added challenges and expectations and stereotypes, especially living in a society where women are not that much prioritized now. Like nowadays, it's being a little easy for women to step ahead, but still there are few of the countries, few of the places where women are not that much perfect in things. Coming to my own path is really like a thing which I never thought I would be on. I started doing graphic designing 2 years back, and after that I did few of the internships. Living in a society where money matters, people ask where is the money you are earning or not, you are doing this, you are doing that. As a Muslim, like, people have said that you have to show your face when you are in social media, you have to do that, you have to do this. But coming to a path where I don't want to listen to anyone, I want to achieve what I want. And at this point of life, I am recently working on two of my businesses which are really growing. First is Brightora, and second is like based in Pakistan. Secondly, talking about that, how, what does it mean to be unstoppable? Being unstoppable doesn't mean never facing fear or never feeling the fear. It means taking the first step when your legs are shaking. It means continuing the journey where the path seems unclear. Here are the four basic principles that I have learned. So, coming to a thing that the four basic things are: believe in your voice. Like, your idea and prescriptives are valid. Even if no one else believes in them, yet start with yourself. Keep learning and growing. The world is consistently changing. Stay curious, adopt, and refine your skills. Like, when I started Brightora, I started with the basic things like graphic designing, web development. Now we are going to AI side, and we are working on that thing too. The most main thing is, don't wait for permission. The world might not hand you opportunities. Create them, take them, and own them. When I founded Brightora, didn't wait for validation. I started small, made mistakes, learned, and kept moving. Today, our agency work with clients locally and internationally, and every milestone reminds me that it really beats the perfection. When you start doing it, you just get get like a person who never cares about anyone. And that's what a woman should be. Like, when a woman starts working, that there is a thing which is really, like, I shouldn't say this, but which is really noticed by people, that a woman is running a business, a woman is doing this, a woman is doing that. That is never a thing to say, because when a man can do it, a woman can do it too. A woman can run a business. Like, we have so many examples, we have so many examples. I never say that men's and women's are in competition. A man and woman both can run businesses, both can get successful, both can do everything they want. Today, I really want to dedicate it all to the women who are listening. Your leadership matters, whether you lead a company, a community, or even you just own your life. The impact of your courage repels outward, and every time you speak up, take initiative, or challenge that status your questions, you make it easier for the next woman that to believe that she can do the same. Leadership is not basically about the destination. It's a repile. Every action, every voice, every step forward create waves that inspire and empower every other person. So the basic thing is stand tall, trust your journey, and refuse to be stopped. Your voice, your vision, and your leadership are needed not tomorrow but today. And the thing is, let's break the barriers. The things we just hear, like when we grow up, that women can't do this, where women are made for the kitchens, women are made for the house. Let's break those barriers. Let's lift each other and let's become truly unstoppable. Thank you so much.
Okay, absolutely. That was a great talk. I do like how it covered really a lot of modern issues in combating that, of course, like the glass ceiling and things like that. So thank you so much for providing that enhanced perspective.
Thank you so much for having me here. Like, it was really a great thing to be here and speak up about it.
Yeah, thank you. We have a
This
question as
does.
well.
You can go ahead, Arnav.
Yeah, so Ethan Hatif is asking for opinion on AI art and AI enhancements on image/video generation.
Like, opinion on AI art and AI enhancement in images and video generation is really a great thing, because sometimes we have to adopt the things according to the generation, because the generation we are living in right now is basically depending on the artificial intelligence mainly. So we should just work on it, and like my opinion on it, that we should adopt that thing. AI can't replace humans, but it can really help the humans in doing the works.
Yeah, I think that's a great sentiment to have because it's cautious about the future and not just overtly embracing it. But thank you for your empowering speech. I think that was very touching.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There is always an opportunity to contribute to the discussions that we have at EnviroCast Geo. If you are interested in attending or even speaking at a future conference, learn more at geo.envirocast.org. We're excited to hear your insights.